Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads on this Neo smartphone. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then you need to click on My Files at the bottom right corner if it's not already on, and tap on Downloads. As you can see, after that, all my downloaded files are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Then select one of those sources, and now it's open. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!